Hello? It's just destroyed. Looks like kids have been in here smashing up the place. Got some jugs and stuff. Got some hosing. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Pierre, Simple Home Brew. Thank you very much for dropping in and saying hi. I have a beer today. It's a One Drop from it's from One Drop Brewing Co. It's a Lean In double dry hopped IPA, or DIPA, to be honest, dry hopped IPA. It is huge. It's got a lot of flavour, a lot of hops in there. There's a lot of trucks driving past. Thank you to Mick Eade for gifting this to me. It's just unexpected. Sometimes I get a letter from someone and they say, I got a parcel coming your way, and just enjoy. Thanks for the videos. That's bloody awesome. Good of them. If anything, I keep getting some really good quality beers. But today, this one is from One Drop Brewing Co. I have two of them to try. One's at home at the moment. This one's here for the hot day today. It's 26 degrees Celsius. We're coming into spring. Things are getting better. Weather's getting better. It's called Lean In double dry hop. It's 1.8% alcohol. I am going to be walking around town today doing a video for my other channel. Lean In is a brand new double dry hop DIPA, crafted on a foundation of premium New Zealand malted barley, oats, rolled spelt, lavishly double dry hopped with a procession-proof holy trinity of Citra, Motueka, and Nelson Sauvin. A hot side edition of Sabro Incognito, and a cold side topped up with Citra Hyper Boost. Add the extra layer of character and complexity to the aluminium shaped tube, which is a can. Lean into and see how Old Faithful melds with the coconut and citrus friend. Now, I've just tried it. I did actually try recording this before and it didn't work. I forgot to press record. So here it is. Bloody beautiful. The glass is from Mick Eade as well. Thank you very much. He sent me two beers and this nice, beautiful tasting glass. And the smells are just beautiful. It's, even after I have sipped a little bit, let's see if there's any left in there, top of it. Oh yeah, a little bit left. It is like a boost juice with alcohol. Oh, very tasty. You can taste the coconut. There's a bit of caramelization there. I can taste citrus right through. It tastes like an orange coconut boost juice milkshake. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, phenomenal. Yeah, thank you guys for joining me. This one's really tasty. Oh, it smells good too. Now, I'm in the town of Maffra at the moment doing an out and about for my other channel, which is Pierre's. No, it's not Pierre's Adventures anymore. I've changed the name to Where in the World is Pierre. So if you want to check it out, I'll put a link below. You can look at the video. I just visited Maffra Brewing Company. Just quickly videotaped the inside and the outside a little bit. It's a beautiful place, guys. If you ever come to Maffra, check this place out. Maffra is very historical. I'm about to walk around town filming and testing my nerve against the people around here. I've been here years ago and it wasn't welcoming when I came here last time. But that wasn't when I was filming. This is when I was selling products. Now I'm just filming, walking around. So hopefully I'll get welcomed by the community, and hopefully I'll make a good video out of it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you to my Patreon members and Mick Eade for donating this to Simple Home Brew. Pardon me. It is, I mean, people give me this stuff because it's awesome, and I guarantee you, this is awesome. It's One Drop from New South Wales, and it's a bloody beautiful one. A couple of guys going fishing. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and I hope you like the next video. Cheers. You're recording? Okay. Guys, I've got a bit of a bonus for you. I am at a pub along the McAllister River in Maffra, and I play here in the band. I've got some pictures for you. And I just want to tell you, It's an abandoned hotel, and I'm going to go and have a look inside. It's probably not a good thing to do, but why not? It's open, I can see inside, so we'll have a look around. We're just crossing the highway here, so where we are is at the McAllister Hotel. I've played here many times with a band called Exit Strategy, and it was really, really interesting. So shall we have a look? It says Martin's McAllister Hotel, established 1922. I've heard some stories, I've talked to a few people. Anybody else out there think that Harley Davidsons just sound like really loud bilge pumps? Anyway, let's go inside, eh? All right. Hello? Anyone in here? Hello? Okay. Thought I'd check. I'm probably not allowed to be in here. Now, if it helps, the band I used to play in actually played over in that corner there. I've got a picture of us there. It's really quite daunting to see this place in ruin. I mean, look at the floor. It's just destroyed. It looks like kids have been in here smashing up the place. I'm probably going to get in trouble if I get caught in here, but I'm just wanting to show you where we are. Okay, I don't know what that place is. A bit too dark for me. So yeah, we played in this little corner over here. Just careful, there's glass everywhere, so I don't want to get any of my shoes, soft sole. It's a pity that they smashed up the place though. Apparently I've been told that a lady in the thing said this is bought by somebody for $1.6 million, and the council told them they couldn't build certain things, so they gave up. Look at this. This is the bar area. Got some jugs and stuff. Got some hosing for all the jugs, all the kegs and everything for beer pouring. What a sad thing. This looks like a refrigerated area. It's not overly that great. Insulated, but probably not the greatest. So look what's at the back. Yeah, look how sad this is. Just destroyed. Look at the windows out there. Just destroyed. I remember coming here, we used to park our car out the back here, unload the trailer, bring it inside, load up in that room that I just showed you before, and we come out here and just have a drink and relax while we have our break. Every time we played, it was a great place to play. Yeah, toilets over here, all boxed up. Like I said, I'm probably going to get in trouble if I get caught. Just poke my head around here. There's this garden area. It's gone to this category of abandonment. Wow. I'm so overwhelmed at the fact that this place has gone to crap like this. It's amazing. It was a big place. It was really popular. A lot of people came here. Lots of wiring, lights. Plastic. Wow. There is a dining room over the other side here. Okay, this is a bar area. I'm just going to sneak in here. No nails. I really don't have the right clothing on for this. Nice little keg sitting there. Just mess. Look at this. They destroyed the place. Wow. CDs all over the floor. What's in here? I'll grab my phone. I've got my phone on me. Where's my phone? I don't have my phone on me. It's interesting. No. This is a bistro area. Unfortunately, we can't see. It's too dark. Where's my phone? I must have left it in the car. Oh, okay. Well, this is a bar area. Unfortunately, it's been torn apart like always. Kids destroying stuff. I will now promptly head out and get in my car and go home. So I hope you liked that. A little bit of an extra abandoned building video. Unfortunately, I don't have my torch with me. Okay, this is it. Sorry guys, thank you very much for watching the channel. And hopefully I can give you something more later on.